Hi, in this video I want to talk briefly about an element that you can use with the input element. It's called the label element. A label element will take an opening and closing tag, and you can use inner text with it, so put your name here, for example. And so it will create a label for your input element. You might say, well, why can't I just put a span there and not have a separate element for that? First of all, having a label tells anyone else working with the code or any code working with the code what it's for. But also there's a for attribute with the label tag that you can use if you want. And in that, you'll put the ID of the input that it's for. ID equals my label. And so this will tell any code that needs to know, essentially, that this label is for this thing. And so that helps sometimes when you might use a label actually to override some of the default behavior of an input. For example, if you have a file input, sometimes you want to do some styling with it you can't do normally. But using the label tag will help you to override some of that default styling.